Good morning, children. How are you all? And I hope all of you are enjoying your online classes. Let's start our today's EVS class. In our today's class, we are going to learn about healthy habits. Healthy habits. We all know that the health is our true wealth. So, we must take good care of our body. We must form good and healthy habits to stay fit and fine. Yes, everybody knows that if we are good, if our body is well, then we are ready to do any task, any work. But whenever we feel sick or ill, at that time we don't want to do anything. So it by this we can understand that what is the importance of good health in our life. If we want to enjoy our life, the first thing that we should take care of our body, and for that we must form healthy habits in our daily routine, in our life, that lead us a very good and happy life. We can study, play, and enjoy ourselves only if we are fit and healthy. Clear? If we want to do our regular task, it only uh, possible if we are good, if we are fit and fine. We have learned about healthy habits in our previous class. Here we will learn that how exercise and correct posture keep our body fit to work well. So before start the point exercise and correct posture, I want to revise all the healthy habits that you learnt in your previous classes. So let's start to revise them. Brush your teeth twice a day. Okay, what's the timing? First in the morning when you wake up and before going to bed, means before going to sleep. You should brush your teeth twice a day. Wash your hands before eating. Whenever you are going to eat something, the first thing which you have to do is you just wash your hands. Have a shower every day. Yes, it is very important for a healthy body that you should keep your body neat and tidy. Play some sport. Include some sports activities in your daily routine. Running, swimming, playing cricket or any outdoor game that make your body active, and it is very beneficial for your good health. Brush or comb your hair. Yes, as I already told you, it is very important for a healthy body that you should keep your body neat and tidy. Walk. That is also a part of exercise that you can include in your daily routine. Do exercise daily. Yes, there are so many types of exercises that you can do easily and keep your body fit and fine. Eat lots of fruits and vegetables. Yes, there are so many good food habits also that we have to follow to keep our body healthy and fit. And in for that, you just try to eat a fruit daily, green and leafy vegetables. Just include these in your diet, in your regular diet, that helps you or that leads you a very healthy life. Sleep well. Yes, it is also very important for a healthy body that we should take proper sleep. If we are not sleep properly, then we are not ready to start our day. So the very important thing and very beneficial for our health, for our healthy body, is it is sleep properly. Try to sleep at least 8 to 10 hours. Okay, that makes your body healthy and active. Drink lots of water. Try to drink at least 8 to 10 glasses a day. that is beneficial for your good health. And yes, always drink clean water. Sit correctly. About this, we will learn or we will discuss in our chapter about the correct posture. While you are standing, sitting, walking, just take care about your correct posture that leads to a good health. And very important thing for each and every person is be happy every day. Try to keep a smile on your face every time. Keep smiling. Be happy. अगर हम खुश रहेंगे तो हमारी लाइफ भी बहुत हैप्पी हो जाएगी, बहुत इंजॉयबल हो जाएगी. सो व्हाट इज़ द इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग फॉर अ हेल्दी लाइफ? Be happy every time with everyone and try to make others happy. हमेशा ऐसा कुछ करो कि दूसरे भी आपसे हमेशा खुश रहें. So I hope that by these examples we have revised all the healthy habits again. What you have to do now, you have to listen this audio, listen this video 2 to 3 times, revise all the healthy habits. Then in our next class we will discuss exercise and posture for a healthy life. Thank you.